Welcome to FEP Parents Day. Dr. Sirinan, the Director of the Prince Royal College, parents, teachers, and students, we are delighted to present FEP Parents Day. Today, you will see a number of performances that demonstrate what we have been working on this past year. The performance reflects the students' language skills, confidence, leadership, the most importantly, their commitment to learning the English language. It is important for students to use English in all aspects of their lives, at school, at home, and on the weekend. Parents can support your children in using English at home, practicing with them and encouraging them to seek out additional English experience. Today, you will see the students demonstrate their English abilities. Please continue to support your students so they can progress even further in the future. We hope you enjoyed today's performances. Now,